Nifty for the day needs to stay above 6,080. Resistance comes in at 6,095 and 6,109. Support at 6,066 and 6,051. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 12,649 and CNX IT above 6,789. BTST from yesterday, Reliance Infra was a buy with a stop about 538, target of 575. RCom was a buy with a stop about 83, target of 95. Reliance Capital was a buy with a stop about 485, target of 512. Fresh calls, Gitanjali Gems has restarted a move, so this is a buy with a stop about 585, target of 630. SKS Micro, that's a buy with a stop about 172, target of 188. Adani Power is a buy with a stop about 64, target of 78. Cairn is a buy with a stop about 338, target of 365. Neyveli Lignite is a buy with a stop about 83, target of 95. Motherson Sumi is a buy with a stop about 195, target of 212.
I would want to short Federal Bank because it's traded and closed below the 50-day moving average for 2 days in a row. And I would wait for a marginal pullback to 501 levels before initiating shorts in the cash segment. I would hold these shorts with a stop loss at 505 and expect to book profits at 494 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Reliance Power, which has gained significantly yesterday as compared to the broader markets, and I do expect the follow-up buying to be seen today also. So I would buy in the cash segment at 96 levels. I would hold these longs with a stop loss at 94.5 and expect to get out with profits at 98.5 on an intraday basis.
Okay, and any strategy that you would recommend from the F&O side of the market?
In the future space, I would want to buy Reliance Infra because it's bounced off its 50-day moving average and it has also gained higher in percentage terms as compared to the broader markets. So I would buy the Jan futures at 549. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 544 and expect to book profits at 555 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
A buy in Adani Power, stop loss 66, target 73. A buy in Uttam Galva, stop loss 72.50, target 86. A buy in Neyveli Lignite, stop loss 84.50, target 93.50. A buy in Jet Airways, stop loss 594, target 645. And a sell in Pantaloon, stop loss 247.50, target 230.50.
I think I'll sell on Bharat Forge. I'll begin with the buy on Adani Enterprises. Yesterday, ADAG as well as the Adani Group stocks did well. There has been a short-term breakout on charts over here. And Adani Enterprises can be bought with a stop below 268 for a first price target of 286 on the upside. Biocon is a sell with a stop at 286 for a price target of 266. Bharti remains on the buying side and now can be bought with a stop at 347 for a price target of 370. While Chambal Fertilizers, I would advise buying above 7130. That's the level of the 200-day moving average. Above that, buy with a stop just placed below 70 and look for a target of 75. And finally, a sell on Bharat Forge with a stop at 251 for a price target of 235 on the downside.